Hello student, in this class we learned how to use Loft Tool. For applying Loft Tool we need a shape and a path. So first I create a shape, circle from the top viewport and a line from the side viewport. And the path of Loft Tool is geometry, standard primitive, and choose compound object, Loft Tool. Path is selected, so we click on the get shape and click on this circle. Okay, so circle shape is applied on this path. I change the shading view by press F3. You can apply different shape on this path. So let's take another example. I already created some shapes. A circle for base shape, and it's a second shape, a star, and it's a path. I create this by using helix. So first I select this path and then go to Loft Tool and click on the first shape. The first shape is applied on this path. In the bottom of this path, there is a cross, yellow cross. If you move this cross on the path, you can apply different shape on the path. For move this path, you can choose path parameters, path. Currently, the path value is 0. You can increase at the 100% like this. I just type 100%. So it's now available on the endpoint. Now click on the get shape and choose the second shape. Okay, so second shape is applied on the path and the transition is little bit zigzag type, so we can fix these problems. Go to modify section and expand skin parameters. In the skin parameter there are two options related to path and shape, so I change the path steps like this. So these problem almost fix. You can decrease this number. You can apply different shapes on the different path positions. Let's take another example. I create a circle again and create a path. A standard primitive, compound object, loft, and choose get shape and click on the circle. Okay. Circle shape apply on this path. For deformation, click on the modify section and expand the deformations. Okay. Click on the scale. If layout will display like this and a red color line is here, it shows the shape deformations. In the top row and the bottom row, there are some tools available for modify the line. In the bottom row, these tools are related to zoom in, zoom out. In the top row, these for adding points and modify the curve behavior. This point indicates the start point and this point indicates the end point. I insert some point on this path by using insert curve tool. Click. Okay, so I add 4 new points. Now right click to exit this tool. Select one point and move a little bit down like this. Okay, so shape is deformed at the different path level like this. If you need a smoothness on this path, select all these points, right click and choose Bezier Smooth. So it's automatically generate a smoothness, and you can also increase by using these handles. So by using scale deformation, you can apply different scale values on the path like this and create a different type of columns, etc. Let's take another example. I create a star shape this time. You can also apply some smoothness on these corners. Go to modify section and increase the fillet value and create a path again. Path is selected. Go to geometry and click on the loft tool and get shape. Okay. So star shape is created on this path. Now go to modify section and apply a second deformation twist. I click on the twist deformation. A flyout will display it same as last time we opened for scaling, and there is a line with start point or end point, and there are some values in the -100 and +100. Okay, if I move these points in the negative direction or the positive direction, it's start turn. I click on the last point and move little bit upside like this. So it's twisted like this. And if I move this point in the downside, so it's more twisted. I hope you understand how to deform a shape by using scale deformation and a twist deformation. Let's take another example. In this example, we create a bridge by using Loft Tool, say reference image. We create a shape by using spline and we apply a Loft Tool on the path so that path convert into a bridge. And you can also add the column in the bottom side. We already discussed how to create. I create only half part of this bridge and select this. There is a mirror tool. Click on this and create a duplicate copy. So make sure the copy radio button is clicked and increase the offset value like this. Okay. Right click and choose attach tool and click on the second shape. Select both vertex. Make sure right click or exit the attach tool. Fuse and weld. Okay. These are extra points. You can delete also like this. Connection is still available here. And now we create a path from the top viewport and select these vertices and apply fillets. Okay, so path is ready and the front shape is also ready. Now go to create geometry and click on the compound block. Click on the get shape and click on the shape. This shape now apply on the path like this. So there are some angles. You can also increase the smoothness. Skin parameters, you can increase the shape steps like this. So these geometry are increased, but we did not need any shape steps. So I right click on this for minimum segments and we increase path step for smoothness on the turns like this. Okay. So it's another example of Loft Tool. I hope you understand how to use Loft Tool. If you like this class, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.